Good day, everyone. I am Erwin M. Kasipong, your math teacher, especially in your major subject, which is the plane and solid geometry. At this moment, I will discuss to you the kinds of figures. So I have here the four figures. First one is the rectangular prism. So here it is, the rectangular prism. So when we say rectangular prism, a 3D dimensional solid shape which has 6 faces that are rectangles. So, ang rectangular prism daw composed of 6 rectangles faces. 6 faces are rectangles. So the first one is the front face, and here the back face, the opposite, and of course the top face and bottom, and the right and left face. So example. So as you can see, the given are 12 inches, 5 inches, and 3 inches. So remember, the formula of when getting the volume of rectangular prism is volume is equal length times width times height. So this is the length of rectangular prism, the longest side, and this is the width, and of course this is the height. So substitute the value of length is 12. So the value of length is 12 times the value of width is 5, and the value of height is 3. So 12 times 5 times 3 is equal to 180 inches. So the volume of rectangular prism is 180 inches. Did you get? Okay, so easy lang, no? So the next figure is triangular prism. So as you can see, this is a triangular prism. So a triangular prism is a prism composed of 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular sides. So as you can see the example, there are 3 rectangles and 2 triangles. So pag pinagsama-sama po natin sila, this is the result, the outcome, triangular prism. So example, the given is 13 feet, 15 feet, and 11 feet. So remember, for getting the volume of rectangular prism, the formula that we will use is volume is equal 1 half times base times width times height. So this is the base here. This is the base, and this is the width. This is the width, and of course this is the here the height. So since the value of our base is 13 and the value of our width is 15 and the value of our height is 11, so we will multiply first 13 times 15 times 11. So the answer is 2145. So 1 half of 2145 is 1072.5 feet. So that is the value of triangular prism. So naintindihan ba? Gets na ba? Okay. So the next figure, cone. So this is cone, example of cone. So a cone is a distinctive 3-dimensional geometric figure that has a flat surface and a curved surface, pointed towards the top. The pointed end of the cone is called the apex, whereas the flat surface is called the base. So ibig sabihin po raw, ang parting ito, this is the apex and this is the base. So easy lang po, no? So example. So the example is 13 meters and 16 meters. So, the 13 meters, ang 13 meters po, yan yun po yung height natin, no? Height. And the 5 meters is the radius. So, the radius. So, remember, the formula in getting the volume of cone is volume is equal to 1/3 pi times r squared times height. So, equals, again, 1/3. Substitute lang po yung value ng pi natin is 3.14 times the value ng radius, which is 5 squared, times the value of height, which is 13. So, 3.14 times 5 squared times 13 is equal 1020.5. Then 1/3 of 1020.5 is 340.17 meter. Yan yun po yung value ng volume ng cone. So, did you get? Okay, easy lang, no? So, the last figure, which is cylinder. So, this is the shape of cylinder. Cylinder. Cylinder is a three-dimensional solid that holds two parallel bases joined by a curved surface at a fixed distance. So, look at the picture and this sample. So, the two parallel bases joined by curved surface at a fixed distance. So, for example, 25 squared and inches and 40 inches. So remember, for getting the formula, the volume of cylinder, we will use the formula of volume is equal to pi r squared times height. So this is the height and this is the radius here. So substitute. Volume is equal to the value of pi is 3.14 times the value of radius, which is 25 squared, times the value of height is 40. So all in all, 78,500 inches. That is the volume of cylinder. So did you get? So any clarification? Violent reaction? Okay, none. So that would be all. Thank you.